morning, welcome back to another video on My Style Baits. Today we've got some special guests with us. We got the Superior Geminis out here fishing with us today. I will link their channel down below. We got Chris here, he's hanging out with us today, and then of course we got Chad, Dad, and myself and Trevor here. Let's get into some fish, guys.
They'll have one. Yeah.
They're really not that good.
They're not good.
They're not that good.
Oh.
You want to try one? Smell it.
Fish. Grab it.
Keep running?
No, just wait, just wait. Alright, she's on one.
Let's go.
Yep. Just leave it there. Chad's coming back with the net. And then when he comes over here, just reel it up to the weight.
Reel it now?
Yep. Reel it up to the weight.
And that's
a little jack.
Lift it?
There you go.
Let's go.
Nice. One big jack.
Good night job, Captain.
Alright, Jasmine got the jack on the Bronco. Let's
Is it
go.
called a Bronco?
Yeah, Bronco spinning.
Bronco on Bronco.
Let's go. Joey said earlier, that'll eat.
Yeah, that's edible. That's edible, guys.
Dad with the catch of the day. Give it back safely, please.
Keeper. Well, we gotta keep. Let's keep it.
No, no,
Seriously,
no.
let's put it up front. We'll dump it off in the middle. I mean, not out here where everyone's trolling.
Oh dear, I think he's serious. Oh my gosh, I'm falling. Okay, well we're gonna return this to the middle of the river.
Yeah, this will be hung in my living room.
Fish, 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 grab it. Remember, reel it and then grab the net.
Dude, let's go, Jasmine! What's up? The girls! It's the girls killing it. Dang. Let's go. What was it on, Trevor? Smiley blade, huh?
Oh yeah, right there.
Smiley blade for the win. Both of those.
Mother's
Let's go!
That's crazy.
Let's go!
That's crazy. That's a beautiful fish.
Oh no, I ain't sitting here. I'll sit on Trevor's lap if I have to.
Oh my gosh, I'm taking it on water. Woo!
Now you gotta go.
Oh! Joey's out.
You might drag me.
I'll go back there. I get used to cold down.
That was horrible, dude. I want a dog.
Yes.
Well then if you're gonna sit, I'm gonna sit. Oh! Good thing I'm not there. Alright guys, this is the last pass. Predictions, are we gonna get a fish this pass?
Chris gonna get a fish.
Chris is gonna get a fish. Chris. They got a last pass fish right here. It's our turn.
Yeah, Tony.
Okay.
Nice. Oh yeah, that is very small, Jack. Let's go, Joey. Get that baby in. Oh, he's gone. Dang it! All right, that brings us to the end of today's video. We had a really fun day. Check out this fish chat's flaying up. And then this little jack we got in here too. Thank you so much, Jasmine and Joey, for coming out with us today. We had
amazing
so much
trip.
fun.
First and foremost, I want to say thank you to My Style Baits, putting us on some fish, blessing us with a fun day. action, excitement, good times, all of the above, and couldn't ask for a better trip.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you guys again for coming, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and their channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Alright guys, we are stuck on the side of the road waiting for some roadside assistance and we don't have the tools to get the spare tire off. They broke. So we're enjoying this scenic view. How is this view, Trevor?
It's real good. Take a look for yourself.
You think there's any fish out there?
Oh, I guarantee it. Look how big this river is.
Okay, 2 hours and a lot of waiting. We're all hangry, and the repair guy is here. Please, please, please fix it. I just want to go home, get in my bed, and go to sleep and have some food before I go to sleep. Look at the sunrise. I mean, the sunrise, you guys. I am clearly sleep deprived. No, the sunset. Look at the sunset. It's pretty. Okay, well, if anything else happens, I will come back. Otherwise, see you in the next one.